What? Number one wife, what? Is fuck that Friday from. Listen, them can't put me up on pink one. Oh, God. Them put me up on pink wall already. Bumbo clot, boy. No, man, the Ricky man, him say mother and nurse. If you're a mama and nurse and say them help people and come at Jamaica and I feel like you can diss me, Queenie, and think it's gonna keep secret and I'm still fucking pissed the fuck off, you know. And keep and calm down, Queenie. The man said, move for you, man. I kick up your blood clot. Me rent no vehicle for you. Move! Me know you from now. I said, what are you? The man said such a blood clot. I said, people can't call on wicked, so. The man I hide me and I love my husband all over again. Do you a G? Because him let me off at the airport and drive round, you know. So when him let me off, him see the man, because what happened, you know, me did a 3 hour, you know, me dip on the live and I said, me not see you here so long, you know. Because the man must can't get a call for call me or Yvette phone, way, blah, blah. So I tell do we come for me a drive round. And I said to do it, say, me now come a gas station here. Let me have generously no want the people them come and see me outside. And I say, me no want them come and him and his mother come. I'm not outside. So you go on at the gas station and then come and pick me up. As do drop me up, do so crazy. One woman we have one orange something on her head. And the man have our eyeglass. And I say, no, I don't see nobody. And him say, yes, the same man you show me in the picture. I see him and him bend down and say something to the woman as you come out of the jeep, throw them in the crowd, and them separate. So what him do, him stand one side and the lady stand one side. So I say, hello, are you Ricky? He said, no, and give me an attitude and him walk with him. So I look on the picture. I say, but I see a man with the tattoo them. But him don't know say me have him picture. Because him send Yvette the picture because Yvette had do the business. So to him enough now I want discount. Him say I want discount. So him tell Yvette for hook me up. When Yvette hook me up now and them give me all this talk, I say him no want no other vehicle for him mother birthday, my key party for and him want the royal rental and them I have an event in October. Ray, blah, blah. It was a good gesture. I want to bring weed for him at the airport. You want to see me I kill myself for bring all blood clot weed for the man. Me too real and too pure for myself, you know. So, with all of that, wake up out of my bed and hit the road 4 hours, it's rude. And then I hide me outside in the airport. So I go to when I sit to one of the airports talk at you. I know I'm ignorant and dark. I'm calm. Because before, when my sister may wait so long, I said, do it. You see, if that man here beg me for come at airport and then make me come at airport and I take my vehicle, I go diss him. Do it that time. I not see the man to do it. Say, crazy, I can't do that because of business I do. I say, then if I do business and somebody diss me, do it. What am I going to do? Be silent and make it style for me? I don't know the man I going to style me, you know. So when I reach at the airport now, when I say to him now the second time, I say, Ricky, and are you the same man not going to suck your mother? So him there to the left and the mother there to the right. I go and let them not know each other. But do it done, clap them from do it, drop me off. So when him say I forgot some my mother, I say go suck your big thinking mama where they right. They say your mama pussy big and stink Ricky. You think you can't carry me from Portmore, make me put 10 grand in my Jeep car down here for rent you. And then you style me like me a skips or me a come on blood clot foul. The man say, come up in my face and see if me not kick him. I say, pussy kick blood clot, me kick me. I'd a bite out him cocky blood clot balls out at airport. Me strip and go and blood clot bad out at airport. I say, pussy, you can't blood clot, kick me. Kick blood clot me, Ricky. Are you big old grey pussy mama where you fuck? Cause if you never had a fuck your blood clot mama, you your mama fuck. Move on a dirty blood clot. What them call it when you fuck your family? Your madam left me nothing for disrespect her. So when the police come and say to me, say, Queenie, you want to press charges because them stand up there and hear the man that threaten the blood clot me. I'm say yes. Calm down now, Queenie. My vex. So we went inside. I played a voice note I sent to Ricky yesterday. I said, Ricky, if you don't want the vehicle, you don't owe me anything. Don't make me set up the vehicle and then come and all the way. I'm going to say, you're mad, me a businessman. I have all of them evidence for me something. Now, when I reach her and the police come in, the mother I go say, she never send up, me never send her no deposit. Mr. Lady, speak properly here in the police station. Me not for send you no deposit. How me for send you deposit? We are not lying, not cook me up, you talk rubbish. I say, no, I'm me to send you the deposit, you not send me nothing. Mr. Lady, don't tell no lie. I send it, carry the deposit to Yvette from June. And I bring 30,000 Jamaican dollars. Yvette did not have a receipt book, and Yvette said she's not taking the money because she don't have a receipt book. So when they call me 2 days ago and so now come down Friday emergency and want me, and send the deposit. 2 times on the send the deposit. Me with my kind of blood clot self, I feel like I can't help the world. Says alright, because they come for doing a deposit. So I will represent you know, come at the something, meet you know, and him say yes, mother I go pay the money. Remember the mother up on the phone with me, you know. Right? I have him number. So yesterday I call him, no message him, so I call him and say him say I'm busy. Him send me the time when I reach, the name where I come from and whatever. Now me there airport 3 hours wait for him, dad. Me not sell pussy. Me not careless as blood clot, terrible and vulgar me is. Me's a business woman. That's why I can't enable for their Jamaica cock up and cock my blood clot and all. If my hungry, me lick my lip and hold my own because I'm very independent. You can't take big woman come for holiday, me done. Me come to Jamaica and meet my husband. Me never have no vehicle in because the man who I did there before take her all and pan my own. I'm a vehicle and I'm all my blood clot own. I mean do it, rent car and see him do it, mash up the people them car. I want me so much money I pay for rental for 8 blood clot months. And I have to pay for car and mash up again. I said to my husband, I said, do it. I now come to Jamaica again and this me have my own vehicle. And I said, do it, go up a blood clot, Ugly Park Road. And when him show me on the camera, I said, Bomber Clot, Blue, him said name Crazy Baby. I said, royalty. Cut long story short. I spend my money and insure my vehicle them. At 200,000 I got Victoria Mutual Bank got draw. When I put them down here with there, 200 blood clot thousand Jamaican dollar for put on them rims and new blood clot tire. So you have to take big woman respect. Mr. Ricky, I'd push me hand in my pussy and my battle with some walker shit in it. I said, this blood clot, Ricky, anybody for blood clot, Ricky will feel like, so, oh no, blood clot, me, I mean, no, none of blood clot, you can't do me nothing, you know. Because it's right or wrong is blood clot wrong, you know. I send the pussy, we are fucking blood clot mother. You are fucking all blood clot mother, that's why the toilet thing could come. Here when the police say, what I say, miss, I don't want your money on the police. I say, miss, you see the way you stand up and lie for your son, God go with you, darling. I say, let me tell you something, lady. Me's a different woman as me not sell my soul, baby. You see the way you come in here and I lie and make you look like me desperate. 10 grand and nothing for blood clot me, baby. A holiday me and my husband upon an hour car say for drive come on my beer and then I want the vehicle. Me lose more than that. Me not lose nothing. I expose me. Me say, lady, see the way you come and cook me up to make me look like me a fool and me desperate. Me just get up come my beer when me I consider you what your son say. He might keep birthday party for you for the 12th. And him want get the 8-seater and him can't reach the deposit. Him got said to me say, give me a discount, man, the mother. I say, I will take $10,000 off. It come to 146,000 Jamaican dollars. She said, the man where they bring the 30,000 already. Me not have no pressure, me alright. The man where they bring the 30,000 for the deposit can't reach to me because I just 2 days left, which is today. Now with my kind of blood clot, eat that self for everybody afraid of me. I'm kind of fool. I'm caring. I look out for blood clot people without them looking out for me. So from the kindness of my heart, this man when I wake up to blood clot, I want to sleep because I got Shana Binga something last night. I'm a knackered. And for see me and my husband, my husband when they said that, knock the fuck blood clot out. You hear that? You know, for coming like one house, we have bigger and spacious. We can't sleep in there fucking hour one. But my argument is, So see we get up and do road and put out effort 4 hours out of driving for reach town. And I reach an airport as big elders. And I hide. And I come at Jamaica, come trick Jamaica people like foreigners all that are through our nurse. Maybe a woman and a blood clot nurse and a canis. Maybe when I come down here all a smuggle people pitting with your mama and a wicked. You see me look on the lady. You see vulgar turbo me where everybody afraid of. I look how the woman look. She up on pink wall and put her in this video up on pink wall. Because when the man says to kick me, I say, pussy kick blood clot me. My bad no blood clot. Me not take violation. They might forget murder me. And for sister, as an elder, where people always say, I'm a con artist. You don't call me one side as a woman and say, Queenie, make me talk to you. Not at all. You say, me see she go in her bag. When the woman say, no, not for give back Queenie some company. You see, if I see she touch her black and bag, I say, miss, I don't want your money, keep it. I'm just glad my sister she willing to give me for shame back her dirty blood. Can I say, miss, with all due respect, you're in Jamaica, enjoy Jamaica. I don't want nothing for you, your son. Because you hear the man that talk to me like, move from me, move. Me know you. Me ride in a vehicle for you. I say, blood clot. Ricky, you lick out all of the bitter something out of my ears and beg you give you a discount. I'm going to tell you something, I get 10,000 Jamaican dollars discount. And you feel like you can't diss me, I'm never gonna name and shame you, dirty blood clot. The whole of California, they're on my page. Your nurse, mama wanna claim so no mama nurse. Hey, Mr. I'm glad I hold my composure to blood clot. Me hear the man say, I kick me now, Mr. Kick me pussy. But you will kick blood clot me. Come with a bite out your body. You don't believe me? My father teach me one thing from a little bit. You see him say as girl pit, you saw me sit down? You can't see yes, but yes a lock. Look for under me, because I love look up blood clot under me. So look now. You say yes sir, you can't see my pussy clit. You know why? From a little bit my father tell me. So when a girl pitney, and I sit down in a frack and I open out. No matter how I open up, make sure there's a lock. I saw him teach me, so I'm blood clot man, I abuse you know, as girl pitney. And I can't manage them, grab them blood clot seed bag. Dirty blood clot Ricky. Where fuck your mama, where your mama come a blood clot, maybe your airport come disgrace on a blood clot, so I think I could hide me and style me after a big woman and wait out at airport for three fucking hours. And have the cheek for come out. And you're a nurse and I live a blood clot America and take plane and I want class. My fellow Jamaican them though down here with dark and illiterate who never take blood clot plane. Only we take plane and have experience and exposure. Now for come down here come feel like I can this blood clot. Me down here trying to see me down here a couple of weeks now and I feel like I'm still. Remember me is a fucking queen Ricky. All your workplace them know me. All your mama workplace, me gonna name and shame on a dirty blood clot and not till me satisfied. Me gonna print your blood clot name and face and put it on one t-shirt. And so this a hungry belly blood clot, Ricky. You're hungry more than the people that don't have blood clot on. You're hungry, I beg blood clot and night dinner, I beg you one box food. But you come from California. And Queenie, are you a rental me wanting and tell your husband so for bring some of that strong something there, that's smelling something. You want to hear me about me, I gonna get tangerine and wedding cake. You want to hear me and name it to him? Yes, mix up the whole of them and come on, meet you to you, Queenie, and we have some things that go on October. We're going to rent a vehicle them and something. False blood clot promises. But you see, too busy. I love my husband again. When man do we reach Iron Shore and do we say to me, say the man answer you, me say no, do we say to me, say you know, say waste time, I say do it, but I'm busy. So better I waste my time and try more than don't try again. It's like we feel it, you know. Feel it. When I tell when I say to the man, say, if it's when you do business, well, I'm cutie. It's when you do business and put friendship in it don't work out because true, me never take your deposit. If I never get to take your deposit, me I gonna be leaning to you because it's our body because we never have the what's it called? So much things. The receipt book. So because him say And I never take my money in the car. We send the money around there and I never take it cast and I never have no something. I'm a one the royal rental. I eat my one my mother for cost. Me I keep one party fair for the 12, you know. And the man go and I say to Yvette, say, Yvette, that nice, you hear me with my blood clot, enough self. I always take up for people and them give me what me I look for. Hear me now, Yvette, that's nice. After the man go away with the money and them come back 2 months after and really say them want to rent the royal rental. Here Yvette shall come. If I plan to come for me, Dricky, you know. You fuck. Yesterday, I said, if I don't come because of Friday, hey, when you're genuine, it's a hell of a thing, you know, man. Cute when I done, I call you. The man say, where you call me upon? Call me upon the 661 number if you have the 661 number. When I say, if I don't come because of Friday, I going to get the liquor sale in your shop. And she said, crazy, I want to me, I lock up my shop. And come meet Ricky and his mother. Because the way the lady talk to Yvette and talk to her, go, they send me hear the woman in the police station and say. You send me hear the woman and say, in front of my face, say, she never knows, say, me I come and she never rent no vehicle for me and I say all kind of something. I say, bumbo cloth. You see, to the woman older than me by 20 years, she around 73 or maybe 60 something. I don't know she how much, but I want bigger woman. I say, miss. I don't want your money, darling. I said, let me tell you something, darling. He says, vulgar and loud and awful as me is me for real. I said, the liberty you take with me, it's alright. I said, I could have never sleep with myself to take your money. After I sit down here and I deny me, I got your money, no rent no car for me, I for go, I forgot stop my mother, and you got to keep me in my fear. Whoa, sir. Sir, I walk and give a blood clot 5 bills and 20 blood clot dollar in Jamaica. At the time, me. I see 2 little penny in the bank and I give them $1,000. Any little body beg me 2 bills, I give them. Move your blood clot. You see? I'll start to blood clot. Who this? Don't laugh. Them could have teeth for car. Them have track up on them. But it may explain to you. Him send one man at Jamaica with 30,000 to Yvette twice. But Yvette not have the book, the receipt book. Yvette is a serious woman, you know. Yvette not like in a bangarang with people money. So she said, true, she not have no receipt book. She don't take the money. Because I way down in August now. So the take when she not take the money, them call me 2 days before them come now, emergency, I said them a come. And then the book already I send the deposit and if it never take it. So me say, alright then, me I gonna make up for that. So now if you give me the deposit, me come at airport because him say mother want pay all of the money. Because me even said to him, say, make the man bring even 12 grand for the deposit. So if you not take the Vic, all of that me and the man talk about, you know. And the man can me, re-can me. I saw we get can every day and we don't know. People come to you so genuine. And the mother, when them said to me, say, I tell them to check the total, and to check the total, them said to me, say, I can't give him nothing. I said, in order to come to Mobe, it's £4,000 for the toll. The toll is 3,200 and I said 4,000. So I rough check square after the nearest 100. So I said, toll like a cost around 4,000 and around 6,000 gas. So that's 10,000. So since I did not ask the discount, I will discount the 4,000 for the toll and the 6 bills and still give me the 48,000. Him say, mother, I got paid. One of the time I said to him, say, so you can't make the little man carry the deposit. I feel it in a cute, but you see money. Don't laugh after me, don't laugh after. Wait, sir.
What? I never travel so far, I'm going to get the deposit. You would have to lose your deposit. When me come with
but you now listen. Everybody different, cutie. You not drop catch. You see me? You will call me cutie and ask me how much you do I answer. I say 4 bills. And no matter what you do a 4 bills, no one. I prefer not get nothing but more than 4 bills. And somebody else will call me cutie and I just do the answer free. So you see me with business, I work off of my energy. This did have to happen, cutie. Cutie, listen to me. I'm sorry for them too. Them carry the deposit 2 times. And I'm sorry, I'm going to be leaning upon them. But the man that have not.
May I get the news live from Queenie, but I know about who about you are. But I feel really laugh, because, hey, Jerry, I see a finance, the man says, I say, blood clot now. Queenie not spit on him yet.
Hey. Oh, you know me that I spit on him.
Jerry, you forgot to know you very well.
You know why I'm not spit on him, cutie? Because the police station, they write this on the police about them. I said, I'm not give him my rights. Because I line him up, you know, because I just slap my pussy. When him say I'm going to kick me, I just slap my pussy and say, kick blood clot me and just make him sniff my blood clot pussy. I angle him like dog. You talk about you would have come so far and get no money. I sat his blood clot fly. I lift up all my blood clot clothes and say, pussy, kick me. Because I bite me, I go bite out him cocky blood clot bars, cutie. Because by the time him kick blood clot me, I'm go down and stay soft.
Not the balls, Queenie, not the balls.
You see, my baby father, when I give 5 pitney, when you see Lammy, them, Lammy blood clot tell you when I'm 18. I'm just have Rochelle. I mean him there one time over Salvador when them used to do tailoring. Cutie. I mean I'm a beer father, I fight. And I grab him blood clot, cocky balls. You know me never do it back again, cutie, because it's not a nice thing to do, you know. You hear me say? Yes, I see the man that come, hey, the man and go be like, dog, you know, cutie. I don't know how the people video it and send it over pink wall, you know, but me I see the whole incident. Me I
step up in them face, man. Beat your blood clot chest time.
Cutie! The man dropping blood clot draws, you know, with the vein and pan him foot and angle blood. So me hear the man that angle me so. Me just skin out my pussy and just slap it and say, come blood clot kick me. Because me not touch him about my bad. Me say, kick blood clot me.
I'm last 2 weeks. When I tell me go for put it in my story, I say see it there.
It's sweet. It's sweet, I'm a bet.
I'm not come on here, them can't deport her from Jamaica and I said I'm back to England.
I need to come home now. I'm tired of them dirty blood clot down here. Boy, man. Bamba clot.
You need to come back, man. Get your yard. I'm supposed to move on the ugly ass and where me water on the south, tip on the line.
Yeah, man, I need to go home for 2, man. Bamba clot. They want to hear me a plan for your money. Wait, not cutie, man. Cutie.
Go on.
Cutie.
Done. Me not laugh.
Cutie, don't laugh. If you laugh, I'm not going to tell you. Cutie, want to hear me a plan. So I call my friend this morning and tell her I get her 15 grand. Hey, my plan on the blood. That's why them tell me.
So you plan to share on the blood club? Oh, yeah, don't get done.
I give her 10 grand this morning when I not have. She laugh.
When you say you probably want to get you just with the money and don't get no. Yeah.
Cutie. When do we put in the gas? I'm going to tell Dewey to put in 10 grand. I remember say Ricky I come with the whole heap of money. Hear me no, Ricky, do it. Don't put in 10, put in 6. You see if me never blood clot, tell Dewey put in 6. Girl, if you put in the whole 10 grand to blood clot to the next episode. Ricky, do me now. Cutie, yes. Cutie, see the way I see the man that anger me? I say, but people can't wicked and dry eyes. Difficult and dumb, so it don't make no sense. I want to call Yvette, make deal with Yvette and then tell Yvette add me. Me no rent vehicle in a cutie. And that wicked who hurt me in a cutie.
With that money they must get excited, you know, because you wait on that money they know.
So me I say blood clot. Me a real boss, bitch. Me I get in a piece of food. Yvette call the man them for come Yvette after man come rent the come wash the car them for a spot. And she call the man them for come rent the car. You want to hear me call car this vehicle, go line it up, that it run good for the man and his mother. Kitty said the man look for me like a piece of shit on the pan. Move from here, son. Me rent a vehicle for you idiot girl, bitch.
I see what's like Honas come down with a picnic them and you go spend how much per rims and something. Yeah, look back out for that money there now.
Cutie, at 200,000 I'm going to Victoria Mitchell go draw to blood clot. I went to say the 200,000 done for the Jeep. Me I say blood clot that money I bring in a piece of food. Yeah. Me can't buy a plane, hear me now, no cutie. I can't buy a plane ticket out of this to go back on my yard. Because I don't have no plane ticket to go home, cutie. I don't live in a blood clot way. I run right now.
When you say that if you get the plane ticket money out of the man style your man him wicked.
But guess what, no cutie?
Just make sure anybody wants it next time. You make sure you collect your deposit.
Yeah, this is a learning process. Cutie, see if the man said to me, say, Queenie, you know, not go on, I'm a chin. I wear the man angry me like I beg him fuck. And like him, I said to me, he say, your blood clot more than I beg me, my cocky. Where? And the man I walk off in the airport and I fan me off and they send me here the pussy say, I'm going to kick me. You gonna do what? You don't remember that the man in Wood Green spit at me and then told me he was gonna kick me? Cutie, me not take kick blood clot argument in a cutie. And at that time, I don't spit. Why you think me not spit on the man? Come here and say, no, this man abused me so much. I remember my husband in the car in a car park, me doing no know where going in there, you know. So me look and she said, nobody did it. I say, don't want that man to beat me up, you know. If you notice, me have my phone in my hand in a car. I'm a phone, me that figure use that work him dirty blood clot if me can't get the bars in a cutie. Yeah. So I see the police and come, I said, Jesus Christ, somebody come for help me. The man that beat me up cutie. But hear me, we are in a cutie, hear me one at a time now. When I see the man, hey, me determined doing a cutie, me don't know what God get me from doing now. Yes, when me up in the man's face, I said, pussy.
The way you're going bad, it's sweet, me.
Me say, pussy, kick me. After you make me come from Portmore and pay 10 grand, you gotta tell you, you gotta kick me, sir, kick me, hear me in the back of my mind. And if the man kick me off, if nobody out here, so I gotta help me. Because me ain't gonna lose. Me say, when me up in a man's face, it come to me for spit on the man. I say, no, man, I spit on the man.
I'm surprised you never spit.
Me think about it, kick the man of that. Kick up me dirty blood. Me not go airport to take no kick up cutie car. Me I tell you one at a time. What, the way the man strong, I tell me, say, him a go kick me. Put your hand in my face again. You see the way I'm bad? Hey, me not for cutie, me need to calm down sometimes. You see the way I'm bad when the man say, me for kick him, me just go so. Me say, pussy, kick blood clot me.
You say you're waiting for me to first move.
Me not go bite out the man back.
So if we did that, what would have happened? Because that's what they want.
Cutie, you know why I'm glad my husband not there, cutie? Imagine the way I drive. And do it let me have me. Just show do the picture what Yvette sent me. And Yvette said, do it call me and say, crazy. When me drop you off a while ago, one man there right behind the white van, him and one woman, and I see him bend down and whisper to the woman because the woman short. So I have to bend down to say where I said to her and them separate. So do we say, code, body language is the man where you show me. So I say, do we not see no man? Do we say I have one eyeglass crazy look? Me alone, I said, do me not see no man. Him said the woman have an orange something around her head. Like how me have this have an orange one. When me look, me see the woman there one side and him there one side. So I say, sir, you Ricky. And him give me the attitude. So me feel like one idiot now. And I say, blood clot. The man, me wake up from 8 o'clock, from 6 o'clock. Put in gas, me out at 3 hours, idiot. So me a fretting on myself, but me a whisper to myself now. So me say to one of our work people, me say, miss, look on a man in a grey shirt. Come run me where I'm gone, you know. In the grey marina and tell me if I see him. The woman say yes, but him say not him. I just come back and say, Ricky, why you tell me say not you after you tell me come out here? Go suck your mother. Cutie said, him say go suck him. I say go suck your big thinking mama will turn up right there and go pint pan him mother. I said to your mama, your mama pussy stink, Ricky. Let me not pussy too. So you cannot blood clot cuss me as a man and your mama there and me not cuss your mama. You idiot. You don't have no respect for your blood clot mother that it will show you cute. You don't understand the levels. Oh, your mother tell me, say, if you come and mommy, I am going to stand up beside your mother tell me if you go suck my mother. Me not feel no way about the suck mother and slang. So take it back, cutie. Go suck your big thinking mama there will turn up right beside you. You never know me going to draw back that pan him, cutie. Then the mother know. 10 minutes after when we in a police station, she tell the police them say, she never tell me come at the airport, she never know so me I come because she never send a deposit and them beg me discount. And them beg me for keep the car for them because it's alright. It's when me hear the police of them for pay me back and me see she go in her bag, touch her or her bag, so me just say, miss, I do not want anything from you. I don't want your money. You see my spirit now go sleep to take your money. Me lose more than this, and me be at peace. God go with you, darling. At Jamaica, you there, me nah send you no threat. Me nah wish you no bad. But darling, at Jamaica, you there. Them going deal with our dirty foreign blood clot when she reaches past she reach. What's blood clot? Wicked!
Boy, man. Don't mind blood clot him. Wicked.
I want him say to me, say, tell do it. Say, if you bring some of that strong some, hear me? We have purple skunk, we have blueberry, and you want to hear me? Hear me, bring the wall of them.
Jason, I'm not forgetting that carry that to me, I want weed and all these things too. I'm pulling to take a girl.
You don't fucking smoke no weed, cutie.
More blood clot weed this time when I come there, I'm going to come for your rental service. More crack, more weed, more some backlash champagne.
Hey, cutie, when I tell when I lift up my blood clot clothes and tell a man to kick me, I'm too titty them, I see with a titty nipple in them, I just cover them back quick. Me strip out there, no cutie.
God.
Cutie, when the man sleep, you ever say, you cutie, you think I joke blood clot? When the man say, oh, you have to tell me you're going to kick me. I say, pussy, kick me. And when I say me titty them out of the door, I put them back in. The man look for me titty man, the mother and the rest of people them. And at that time I said no, and at titty time I just lick the pussy and put it in a blood clot face and say, kick blood clot me. My clot look. Him sniff on my pussy down at the airport, it's truth.
You love the fuck criminal.
You know why him deserve it, cutie? You can't come see me.
People might tell me to come off my phone, but you know why I to come off.
Don't come off. Cutie, you even like no, my husband got sleep left me, and you know.
You say you need like a company.
Yeah. I want to go home. I want to go home now.
I have one video for sending you. I know you want to come home now, man. And so you take out some. Hey, gangster man, they're brave enough, because they have more blood clot problem. I see you all grown there. Must be really why you lick him down.
I remember, I not give him a right to the
when you
cutie.
don't take out every frustration upon him.
You see, if you lick somebody cutie, you give away your right. So all of them I tell me touch him. I not touch him because I'm a skill. I just blood clot, but I say, pussy, you kick me. Kick me. I say, hear me now, man. Hear me now, then I want the man kick me up if nobody out there go help me.
When you come back to England, man, listen.
More plane ticket. Pixie called me last night for buy the ticket for me, but me did there bingo, so I missed the call. Come here for call. Me come home, man. Me here tomorrow.
Well, you help with the ticket unless you come a bad man, I wish you love. 12
How my name, sir?
You come?
Why, you keep party?
No, bad man, I wish you love.
Who for party?
Peanut. I told you, and I'll be hosting. I invited you.
Oh, when you say that,
yes,
go pay me.
You need to be there. Free surgery, I give you all these things. But you say, me go pay all now, you not come to me and say nothing to me.
Me never remember. I wish for that day again, dear.
No, we're going to give away surgery in Dominican Republic.
But it's happening in London.
It's happening in London, the event, yes.
Remember, cute.
So that's what I'm saying, you need to come back. Come on stage and come shake them titties.
Ah! Oh, God, cutie. I'm tired of Jamaica now. I'm tired of this hungry belly blood clot place. You know, why hungry belly Ricky and the mama no hungry like blood clot Queenie, white squall. I'm hungry for 3 years.
Baby, they are yourself now, man. May I leave you upon the live? Go and do your thing.
Yeah, may I call you when I come off and we discuss, yeah?
Alright, then, babes. Bye.
Alright, cute. What? Alright? Hey, me not lying on. Me just an energy woman, you know. You know, it's a cute to call me there in England. And I'm trying. I'm keeping something I wanted to house it and I'm going to pay. I said, girl, I go there to Canada. It come like when them to tell me, say, for go reggaeton fest. I'll sting. I hell for my accept for God stinging. And I say, Me don't want nobody come swell up my blood clot head, but no dirty blood clots thing and no low blood clot, me. Cause me did think I trapped them, I said for me, but it was a trap, but it was a trap on the night. And Reggae Sunfest though, after me come there, me under construction, them say we are going to go for international night. Go see, winner was born a winner. I shall live as long as I want, but never want as long as I live. Blood clot. I'm going to stop call everyday name and leng. I'm going to stop carry my name to Broke Girl Queenie. I can't broke, you hear that? Shut the fuck up and stop chat shit. Cause if I broke now, by the time I say broke, my ass clot rich. Cause I'm rich spirit when I have. Y'all make me forget what I go say. I want me to talk about number one, I feel. And what is? Leave blood clot, cutie. She's supposed to lonely and come for blood clot me. Me and cutie I come from Saltfish, a single blood clot house stop, and we're still there. And me and her tear it blood clot down and on the internet and love bring us back together. Move on a blood clot and leave my friend alone. On a two blood clot love and love. What call me blood clot and so much people over here. Me mama pussy 1,000 people. How would the blood clot? This are me nasty good. Pussy blood clot. How this